My name is Tyris Nelson. I am a senior at CSAS. It was a crazy adventure, but I'm here now. When I was in the 8th grade, I had a sinus infection that did not drain. It went to my brain. Pretty much, I was homebound for my rest of my 8th grade year. They also had to do surgery to fix a lot of the things that happened. He was telling me a lot of things like you won't be able to play football anymore, roller coasters, you play physical contact sports and whatnot, because if it moves the skull plate, it'll just deform the shape of my head. I have to wear the helmet for a year. It was hard explaining to people that I didn't have a blown plate right there.
We fell in love with Tyris very fast. I remember the day I met with him at admissions. He had a helmet on to protect his skull where they had done some surgery to alleviate the infection and heal. And so I actually worried about him a little bit as he came over to CSAS, But Tyris, his whole demeanor about himself, the way he carries himself, his little smile, just the way he deals with people, it was as if there was no helmet there.
I've never gotten bullied with the helmet on. To this school, a lot of people didn't assume things. A lot of people just went and asked. And so that's kind of how I felt at home at CSAS. The end of 10th grade year, I was finally allowed to bowl. I bowl a lot. People say I bowl all the time. I really do. If I don't have any work, I'm going to the bowling alley.
He was a nationally ranked bowler. And so he had actually come to me a little bit trying to see if there was any possible way that we could have a bowling team.
All the information. I have the coaches you can get. I have where all the supplies can come from and where we can bowl and how much it will cost. And since I had all that information for them and they didn't have to do that information, it was much easier for them to go to Hamilton County and ask if they can get a bowling team at this school.
We saw an opening for that to happen. And of course, Tyris was the person behind it all, and he had helped establish a coach. And so we made it happen. And we're so glad we did.
I was still, at the time, I was talking to Tennessee Western coach, and he came to watch all of his people that he's trying to scout and recruit. And he kind of watched me and he was amazed. And he said that that's the type of bowler he needs. For college, I am going to Tennessee Western University to bowl for Coach Ferguson and his bowling team. And so I think I'm gonna enjoy it.
But we're real excited for Tyris, and we can't wait to see what he does in the future.
And so I've enjoyed my time at CSAS, and the last 4 years have been pretty good to me.